Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Study with Komal. So our today's topic is poster writing. So let's know what is poster. So poster is a piece of a paper which contains textual and graphic elements to exhibit. It is basically designed to present information and spread awareness about certain social issue, an event, a product or a service. So let's see the distribution of marks. One marks for format, second one for content, and third one is for expression. Let's take an example. So draft a poster on water conservation issued by Delhi Jal Board to create a. So here we have to write a title. Then you can add a drawing or you can add any slogan over here, and then we have to give the points that how can we save water. So the first point is close taps after use wastewater in washing cars, watering plants, use buckets for bathing, cleaning, etc. Collect rainwater through harvesting, check water taps and pipes for leakage timely. Then we have to write at the end that where it is issued from. So it is issued in the public interest by Delhi Jal Board. Let's take another example. Design a poster about preserving nature and protecting the environment. So here first we have to write a title, Save Earth and Avoid Plastic. You can draw any logo to avoid plastic. So how can we avoid plastic and we can save our earth? So start today, save tomorrow. You can write a slogan, then eliminate plastic and save the environment. Saving trees means saving life. It provides fresh oxygen and frees us from diseases. And you have to write that where it is issued from. So it is issued from Green Earth Department, Delhi. So this is what all about poster writing. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.